Hi there. I'm going to be talking about combustion reactions this time, and this is the last of the different types of reactions that I'm making videos about, and I think you're going to find this one the easiest to understand. How do we identify them? Very simply, we need a fuel molecule. And a fuel molecule is something that has carbon and hydrogen and sometimes oxygen in it. We talk about hydrocarbons, methane, butane, propane. These are fuel molecules. Your Bunsen burner burns methane. And when we talk about burning, that means it's combining with oxygen gas. So these are the reactants. Anytime I see a fuel molecule with oxygen gas, I'm thinking combustion. And how do I predict the products? Really easy, because we're going to be talking about complete combustion. I'm get carbon dioxide and water. Always. Always, always. It's carbon dioxide and water. That's the product. So, let's take a look at some examples. What if we burn propane? Okay, I get C3H8 plus O2. C3H8 is the formula for propane. What are my products going to be? Again, carbon dioxide plus water. Easy. Now if I need to balance this, I have got 3 carbons and only 1 here, so I think I'm going to put a 3 there. Got 8 hydrogens. That means I need to put a 4 there. 4 times 2 is going to give me 8 hydrogens. Now I have 4 oxygens, and 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 6 is 10. I'm going to put a 5 there, and this is balanced now. How about octane? Octane is C8H18 plus oxygen. This is what one of the fuels you might be burning in gasoline. What are my products? Again, CO2 plus H2O. Alright, so I've got 8 carbons, so I put an 8 there. I have 18 hydrogens. Well, I better put a 9 there, and that gives me 18 hydrogens. Now I have 16 oxygens. 9 times 1 is 1, so 16 plus 9, 25. Crap. How am I going to get 25 oxygens with multiples of 2? I'm stuck. So this is what you need to do. You need to start over. And instead, I'm going to put a 2 there. And here's your little trick here. You are either going to have a 1 or a 2 in front of your fuel molecule, always. I start with 1, and if it doesn't work, then I put a 2 here. So 2 times 8 is 16 so I put a 16. 2 times 18 is 36 hydrogens, so I need 18 waters. That gives me 18 oxygens plus 32, that's 50. Well, 25. And guess what? We're now balanced. And the final one here, what are my 2 products? Yes, you guessed it. CO2 plus H2O. And I've got 1 carbon, so I've got a 1 in front of here. I have 4 hydrogens, so I put a 2 there. That gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygens. And if I put a 2 there, that gives me 4 oxygens, but I've got a 5th one over here. Oh, guess what? We've got to start over. So, well, put a 2 there. That means I'm going to put a 2 there. That gives me 8 hydrogens, so I'm going to put a 4 here. That gives me 4 oxygens plus 4 oxygens. That's going to be 8 oxygens. I have 2 here already, so I just need to put a 3 there, and now I'm balanced. Cool, huh? What's that? Alright, I'll bite. Who's there? Why, of course. I should have known you were there. Well, do you have any questions?